Hello and welcome back to the new video. In this Qualifyr video, I am going to show you how you can create the new account on our platform. First, visit our website qualifyr.tech. On the home screen itself, you will see Start a free trial. Once you click on it, the new page will get open into the new tab. Then just enter your name, last name, your email ID. Then to verify your email, we will send the OTP. We highly recommend you to use the main email ID. If you use the temporary email ID, your account won't get created. Now I have received the OTP. I am entering it. Just click on verify. Now you can see the email is successfully verified. Now you have to create username. This you can use for your login. Create the password, re-enter the password, your company name and your website. Once you're done with all these things, here you can see still the create account button is not activated. The reason behind that is you have not accepted the terms and conditions. Once you read and go through all the terms and conditions, you will have to click on I have read all the terms and conditions and agree to be bound by them. Once you click, you will be able to create the account.